Hi, my name is Erik Blomberg and I work here at the Innovation Department at Fjällräven. Today, I'm going to tell you why to take care of your shell garments. I brought my own jacket. I've used this for skiing the whole season and I haven't washed it yet. To keep the functionality over time on a product like this, when it comes to waterproof and breathability, some TLC is needed. Starting from the inside. Typically when wearing this, maybe you have a sunscreen, you're sweating, it leaves residues. So you can have fat from the sunscreen, you can have salt from the sweat, and those two materials is not super good for the functionality of a jacket like this. The fat, of course, it kind of blocks the water to pass through the membrane. It can also degrade the glue in the laminate itself. And salt likes water, but it also keeps the water. So we want to rinse out the salt in the backing to have a really good functionality when it comes to breathability. Looking at the outside, this jacket looks fairly clean. I don't have any stains or fat and stuff like that you normally want to wash away. But still, I think you should wash it. Because dust and sand, like small particles of sand and dust, can enter through into the fabric itself, into the fibers or the yarns, and start to degrade the yarn over time, so you won't have as long-lasting outer fabric. But it's also about the DWR. The function of the outer fabric when it comes to breathability and waterproofness is to bead off droplets. So it should more or less look dry when it's raining outside. So it's super easy to see when this outer fabric starts to attract water, absorb water, and look wet. It's time to give it a wash and reapply the DWR. If you do that, these kind of products will serve you for a very, very long time.